Hello everyone. UPSC preparation is incomplete without the practice of answer writing. अगर आप simply learn कर रहे without the practice of answer writing, this can put you behind 99% of your competitors. In fact, most of the aspirants, they struggle to frame a proper UPSC answer in given time. It's already October, and for any serious UPSC aspirant who's targeting CSE 2025, your exam is on 25th May. If you haven't started focusing on mastering your optional subject and answer writing, which is most important and carries 500 marks and 30% of your mains, so you could be missing out on most of the productive months of your preparation. And that is why we at Level Up IAS, we are introducing the daily answer writing and mentorship program from 21st of October. This DAMP will be for optional subjects like anthropology, PSIR and philosophy. You can check the schedule from the link which is given in the description. आप schedule देखिए और उसके accordingly अपना study schedule prepare कीजिए. Tackling your optional subject now is crucial क्योंकि prelims के बाद your attention will completely shift to essay, GS1, GS2, GS3 and GS4. Aspirants they miss out on interview calls simply because उनका optional subject का score कम हो जाता है. Problem आपकी content में नहीं है, problem आपकी hard work में भी नहीं है. Problem lies in the lack of answer writing practice. To score 300 plus marks in optional subject, you need to change your strategy with the changing pattern of the exam. Questions थोड़े analytical आने लगे हैं, तो उनको questions को पढ़ने का तरीका, उस पे introduction लिखने का तरीका, उसका structure बनाने का तरीका, इसको सीखना बहुत जरूरी है. And वो आपको DAMP के थ्रू आएगा. अगर आप डेली आंसर लिख रहे हैं, सो यू विल बी एबल टू डीकोड द क्वेश्चन प्रॉपरली. यू नीड टू नो कि आपकी क्वेश्चन में कौन सा कीवर्ड है जिसको आपको कैच करके आंसर लिखना है, और ये विदाउट प्रैक्टिस इज इनकम्प्लीट. लेट मी टेल यू हाउ द प्रोग्राम इज गोइंग टू वर्क. यू विल बी राइटिंग 2 आंसर्स डेली और उसके साथ में additional assignments will be given to you. Evaluation within 24 hours with the most detailed feedback on the areas where you need to improve will be given to you. The model answer for every question from every micro topic of the syllabus will be there, and these questions and the answers will be aligned with the current examples. This will form the backbone of your answer. उनके साथ साथ डिस्कशन के लिए वीडियो डिस्कशन will be given of all the answers. One-on-one mentorship support will be there and guidance by the dedicated faculty and the team of mentors. So DAMP के through you will remain disciplined because अगर आप daily answer writing कर रहे हैं and daily आपको उसका evaluation भी मिल रहा है, so you know कि आपका content कितना अच्छा चल रहा है, अभी आपकी preparation कितनी अच्छी चल रही है. If you have already completed the syllabus once या फिर आपने पहले भी UPSC attempt दिया हुआ है और you are stuck in 240 to 250 वाला range in your optional subject, it's time for you to take the next step, which is to improve your answer writing skills. इससे क्या होगा, आपके scores बढ़ेंगे, and that's what our DAMP program is designed for. This series will streamline your preparation and will help you cover your syllabus by December. तो December तक अगर आपका syllabus cover हो जाता है, including your optional subject, your GS preparation, you will be left with 5 months, which will be dedicated solely to the prelims preparation. तो आपको prelims का भी tension नहीं रहेगा, and your optional and GS का mains answer writing वाला segment will also be done with. But now the question comes, how is DAMP different from the test series that you write? कभी कभी आपको confusion होता होगा कि answers तो हम test series में भी लिख रहे हैं, तो DAMP में ऐसा क्या होता है? Let me tell you one thing. If you want to complete the paper, 70 to 75% of the content of that paper should have already been attempted. Means जो content आप exam में लिख रहे हो, अगर आपको उसका practice करना बहुत जरूरी है. उस theme से या उस topic से जो question आ सकता है, अगर आप उसकी answer writing की practice नहीं करेंगे, तो exam में obviously you are going to get stuck. So DAMP will be focused more on your practice and content enrichment. Unlike test series, जहाँ पर you will be evaluating your performance and you check your speed and time. But to prepare you for the answer writing practice, to prepare you for the structure of the answer, DAMP is there. So it is in a streamlined manner. You are writing answer consistently with no performance pressure. Because test series के time पे you're always in that pressure कि I need to score well. But वो DAMP में नहीं है. DAMP is like a practice. आप daily answers लिखिए and this is going to help you. So for all the 3 courses, anthropology, philosophy and PSIR, enrollments are now open. And remember, those who sweat more in practice, they bleed less in war. Therefore, don't waste these valuable months. While others are struggling, you could be miles ahead with personalized feedback and continuous improvement through our DAMP program. Seats are filling up fast, and the earlier you start, the better prepared you will be. 21st October is just around the corner, so join today and ensure your success. Thank you.